Welcome to One Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we're cooking the beef paella. The ingredients for our beef paella of today are Paella Rice, La Fallera Special Paella. The beef that we're using today is filet mignon, onion and garlic, red peppers, chopped tomatoes, and the rest of the Spanish ingredients. Let's start by cooking that beef. Okay guys, let's start by adding a bit of oil, olive oil in this case, just a bit. Let's let that oil heat up a little bit. Okay. Let's start by adding our beef, which is filet mignon. Let's add the red peppers. As always, every time we bring in a new ingredient, we need to cook it around or to shake the pan a bit. In this case, we're just gonna move it around a bit so that the pepper starts cooking. And a bit more. Make sure the red pepper cooks all the way throughout. Let's add the onion and garlic. It's a good time to add an onion and garlic. Mix those peppers with the beef and the onion and the garlic. Let's leave that for a bit. Let's add the chopped tomatoes. That adds a lot of flavor and a bit of color as well. Let's throw that rice in. Paella rice now. As usual, we're using 300 grams and we're making 3 portions. So 3 portions, 300 grams, 100 grams per portion. Okay. Let's mix that rice in. let's add the spices. Don't forget some salt. Okay, we're gonna start adding some paprika. Alright, paprika. We're gonna add half an envelope of our paella mix because it's for 6 portions and we're making only 3, so half is plenty. Alright, and save the rest for another day. Also, we're gonna add a bit of saffron threads, okay, for extra flavor. It's time for the beef stock. Let's add slowly our delicious beef stock. At this moment we're increasing the burner temperature to the maximum. Okay, we always leave a bit at the end. So we're adding 900 milliliters for 300 grams of rice. Let's move this around a bit, distribute it, because that's gonna start, always keep a handle. Okay. Okay. Here we are. Okay, usually from this point on, we don't use the skimmer anymore. We would just shake the pan. Okay, let's add a bit of salt. Not too much, beef has enough salt already. And let's wait for a bit with a bit of music. Okay guys, I think we've got a nice boil going. I think it's a good time. We can decrease the paella burner power down to 50%. Something like that. And just let it simmer all the way to the end. I can tell by the look of it that the grain is still hard, so I'm not gonna try it yet, but soon I'll start trying to see the hardness of the rice. Once we reach 85 to 90% of the rice cooked, that means our paella is finished. And then, as I always say, we let it rest 4 or 5 minutes outside of the paella burner. Okay, so let's just wait for a bit. Okay, let's give it the first try of the rice to see how it's cooking. Okay, that's around 50 to 60% of the rice cooked, so we still have a bit to go. Let's give it a little shake. Okay, that's looking beautiful, guys. Remember, we have all the equipment that you need and all the ingredients that you need to make a great paella. Visit us at iwantpaella.eu. We also have a blog. Take advantage of it. Let's give it another shake. Okay, now it's at 50%. I think it's a good time to reduce it to 30% for that final paella. Okay. Let's try the rice for the second time. Somewhere else. Okay. It's around 70%. So I think we have enough stock in to finish up this paella. So we're not gonna add anything else at the moment. We're just gonna let it finish and then bring it to the kitchen. All right. Let's give it another shake. Let's try the rice for the third time. Okay, I'd say it still needs another minute. Let's give it another shake. Go. Okay guys, I'm shutting off the paella burner now and I'm gonna give it the last shake and bring it to the kitchen. Whoa! Okay guys, this is the final resort. Look at that gorgeous beef paella. I'm gonna serve it on a plate now. Okay guys, let's serve this beef paella. Ooh, beefy. A bit of peppers. Okay guys. There you are, ladies and gentlemen, a proper plate of beef paella. This is Jay signing off. I hope you love the beef paella, and as usual you can find all the information, all the equipment and all the ingredients that you'll ever need to cook a great paella at iwantpaella.eu. Thank you and see you soon.